My name is James Lane. I am the president of AMS Automation, Incorporated.
Jeff Berger, Vice President of Sales.
My name is Allison Starnes, and I'm the office administrator.
We provide custom machinery to fill a specific need for them that they may have. We provide custom fabrications. We provide modular buildings. We're a South Carolina state certified modular building manufacturer. We do material handling systems. We do a lot of workstations. Some of these are automated, some of them are human assist, some of them are semi-automated. They fulfill a lot of functions from assembly to inspection stations and so.
And we can build most anything that you can want to create to solve a solution or to provide a solution for a problem you might have. Mainly engineering solutions. Lots of times when people have a problem, they can't get glue to dry fast enough or they need assembly process, we come in and we come up with a custom solution to solve their problem, sometimes with conveyance, robots, or ovens, etc.
We've had a lot of growth, and that has come with its goods and bads, pros and cons.
Well, you're educated in engineering, and then all of a sudden the business model grows to the point where you realize that you don't have the skills needed to grow the business.
We're engineers, we're not business people. I've built several small businesses in my life, but usually those were small enough that you could deal with the financials out of your pocket or on the back of in QuickBooks or something like that. What we have found in the last couple of years as we have grown is that there's a different set of skills and knowledge that's required to be successful as a business. So we found ourselves in a difficult position with this growth that we weren't managing well.
You can still do the engineering and design and manufacture, but then the business starts to suffer because of just things you just don't know. And that's where Cogent came in and basically opened up the floodgates of knowledge for us.
The project director was Paul Sandberg. I don't know how he was chosen for us, but he was an excellent fit. He appealed to me because of his engineering background. He appealed to me because of his interest in working with smaller and medium-sized businesses so that he could see results. And I think that was an excellent choice for us. Also, he had a very easy manner in the way he fit into our organization and managed to communicate with the people effectively, bring all of the employees on board with the process that we were moving forward with. So it was an excellent fit.
I enjoyed his personality. Very, very nice person. Very knowledgeable. It was a good surprise that you guys had so many levels of aptitudes for different aspects of the business. But the biggest surprise was once we got talking to you, it helped me realize how much we didn't know.
I was a little fearful that they may come to us with some sort of pat approach to business and how business should be run. I was delighted to find out that the process for the first several weeks were spent trying to really find out who we were. The whole focus was on finding an approach to business that would work for us. One of the keys for us early on was in our accounting structure. Our system was lacking the ability to tell us what our real costs were associated with the work that we do. This was leading to substantial losses of income for us. So that was one of the primary keys, was being able to correct that so that we're getting good data to make good decisions on how we do our proposals and what we charge for them.
We've had the new chart we use, the CMS or BMT chart, that has really taught us a lot, given us a lot to look at, given us a lot of tools to keep track of our spending, our incoming money, and that's been a good source for us, a good tool.
Cogent will allow me to start to appreciate the need to grow to the next level, which was upgrading all of our aspects that we were already doing as far as the sales, the business tracking side, and learning how to look forward in the future using spreadsheets and accounting skills.
If a small business is struggling with their growth, I would encourage them to seek help, and I would not hesitate to tell them to go work with Cogent.